Shannon Glam and welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna do my makeup, the makeup that you see here, and then I'm gonna have a special guest do the voiceover. And obviously you can already see by the title who that special guest is. If you guys want to keep on seeing more challenge makeup videos, just give this video here a thumbs up. Keep on watching, make sure you subscribe.
Cue, action. Well, what up, guys? Here we have Shannon Glam with her hair looking like a monster. Wow, I didn't realize how rough you look without makeup. Here you can see her at the beginning of her day, looking just like God brought her to this world, looking rough. Shannon, this is 7 minutes, man. This is gonna be long. I cannot talk for that long. There she starts applying some makeup to her face, spraying it with her fingers. There you go, and have another case with more makeup, multicolor case, I guess. There she goes with her makeup. Apply your makeup to your eyelids. I hope you girls, after you done doing this, look like you want to look. So you girls that don't know how to do makeup out there, I guess you can learn with this. Thank God men don't gotta do all this stuff. If I was a woman, I wouldn't do all this stuff. I would have just go out there rough. Here you see her applying some black stuff in her eyes on her way to Foxwoods. There's somebody's money. You apply this makeup to the inside of your almost brain because she's going really deep with that. I know you girls can go deep. Oh my God, you guys, yo. Alright, this is gonna be edited. You then, after you're done sticking that object almost in your brain, you remove it and grab another sticky thing and apply more makeup. All the haters, please give like to it. There she's applying some other stuff in her eyes. Concealer. I really wouldn't take time to do all this. How long you take to do all this?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. She takes. For you females out there, I really didn't. A lot of men don't realize all the time that you take to put up your makeup and not to look like what really you look like, because it'd be embarrassing. There she's applying some more stuff to her eyes. I believe that with all this stuff, soon doesn't that give you cancer with all that chrome? Here she is going crazy with her makeup. Oh my God, you remember that? I'm not gonna say no names, but that girl that used to have, she was like 17 or whatever, and then she used to she used to look like a damn clown with all this damn makeup on her.
Oh my God.
You know who you are, blondie.
Stop.
I like the mirror thingy. There she goes kissing all her free gifts. God knows what is free. There she goes applying pouring some substance in her face. Looks like it's burning. Here she goes with more product for her face. You go with the little spongy thing and spray it. There's the wipies. Are those butt wipies? Can I say butt?
Yeah.
If you like this video, even if you don't, just subscribe to it. There she has a little, looks like a sponge where, that's not the dishes sponge, right? No, it's not. I guess she forgot something.
Concealer.
Another concealer, yeah. And she goes spraying it all over her face. She's looking younger now. At the end of this session, you probably like looking at $100 worth of makeup in your face. You do it on the daily basis. 100 times 7 is 700. Save that money. There goes another concealer, I guess, and you spray it all over your nose. Then you gotta put the whatever she's putting on her face and spray it around your face. Now you take your magic brush, which will probably be like $50-$70, which I wouldn't even spend on a brush. There she goes with her victory dance. Oh, she's getting them tonight. Just brush your face around like you taking some peel holes away from your face. So oh yeah, I can't say the B word, right?
No.
Okay. Females out there, I'm sorry, somebody gets offensive, but it's offended, but it's really hard for me not to curse. Is female spelled with a F or a B? Oh no, it's with a S. So all you females out there that want to look like Shannon Glam, you can subscribe on her page if you want. I believe the mirror is more expensive than all the makeup she's applying. What is this, a lipstick? Shannon, there you go, and I don't know how to describe this because the way I'm gonna describe this is gonna sound weird. There you go, and put that little stick in your mouth, and you rub it up, down, sideways. Don't spit on your lip. With the spit, like mess up your makeup and stuff. I know you famous know how to apply stuff in your lips. See what I mean? Gotta concentrate. Damn, that's not Victoria's Secret, right? And there goes some more spray, beauty spray. Isn't she just beautiful? There she's on a daydream. Sparkles and sparkles. I wish my life was all sparkles. And pink, like her sweater.
That concludes the video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and visit me again for more fun videos like this one and makeup tutorials and everything that has to do with makeup. Love you guys. Bye.